diamond.
No.
Pick another one.
No. Don't turn to him. She's very
Oh,
no.
three hearts.
That's very bad.
No, this is
Don't
not bad. Oh,
No, you learn that's like gambling. Don't learn gambling.
tell.
Ipangalngal ko kita dito, Abraham.
Ten spade. Oh, para kapag tinanong ka madam mo what is this? Ten spade, ganon. King flower. Pick.
Kajis ko lang.
Oh, what number? Kinaman ka nun eh. Oh, 4 flower. Ganon. Oh, pick. Oy. You want the thrill, You want to pick. Oh,
Ano lang namin? 10 heart nga. Dahil lang sa susunod tayo, hindi kasinsin mo.
6 flower. Oh, you have 6 star. Pag-uwi mo, no? Palakpak lola.
Pag siguro dumabat si Balon na detakin ka.
Oh.
You ask money to him? Ha?
4
O, niya data.
4 spade.
Oh, give me money, come.
Give me money.
You ask to Balen, money. You ask money.
Buy Coke.
Money mo.
Yeah.
Money mo.
He's teaching you.
Okay. Oh, pick another. Then, pakita mo kay...
That's a good lesson. So, don't learn to him. Oh. Yaman dekan.
Oh, pakita mo. Oh.
You count
Pick mo yung diamond. Oh, yan, diamond.
8 diamond.
No, that's not 8 diamonds. Count
Oh,
all the diamonds.
This is a 8 diamond. Who tell you this is not a diamond?
You count if that is 8 diamond. No. It's not 8 diamond.
Yes.
Big 8 diamond and 2 small diamond. You count. Because that's counting, so it's not correct.
Pick another one, then pakita mo kay Lola Loida. Oh, yeah.
Green heart.
King.
Heart.
Bibigyan kita mo may ng gusto mo 10? Yes.
Kapag na dumawat si Balon na ka.
Oh, pakita mo.
Three.
Oh, ano yun?
3
spade.
3 spade.
Awan,
Yan.
mo. Awang kwartam.
Spade yan.